Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Sembut Menteri Rambak Kejela Uba Preston Tensong habakaran jigila apathai kubor haka arpun rotrik unai luar aja apusan hak baide bakajing hiar syuki bat no kam uba Shemborlang renja bat kajing jet thamai ru ya upsi am mathamai uloong ba kikinhun menteri kila IT ya kashithi no kam bat aiktin sha ulat Kejela ban sha ya usi am barim ban yarab ban pechwa yaki kam ke barangsa batat hado ba anda jet thama ya usi am ka ke GDC shu ulong ba kajing pentip na kalyang ulat Kejela ulap diang ka shithi no kam jong ba Shemborlang renja kum usi am ka ke GDC
KHDC CM.
Oh yes, resigned, and then yesterday itself we have already sent this resignation letter to the Honorable Governor, and we have already recommended the Honorable Governor to allow the CM who resigned to also be a caretaker till the full-fledged CM election is held. So the notification has come out today.
You are putting up any candidate?
Sorry?
Party?
I am not a member of the district.
NBP.
Sorry?
NBP putting up any candidate?
The question of only NPP does not arise. So let them, because we are together in the opposition. So I think this issue you can discuss with the leader of the opposition or the discuss.
When is this election?
Sorry?
When is this election going to be held?
That also depending upon the chairman. He has to propose us. Then only we will approve the date.
But the governor have been approved.
Sorry?
Governor have been approved
For what?
for that CEM election.
Yeah, that notification has come out today. Nila ada penmi ia ka notification bala accept ia ka resignation tambah undang continue ku caretaker CM nomor hak bandon u caretaker CM hadu ba ka election CM ka. Okay? Thank you.